I thought my nails would be appropriate for what's in this box. You guys know that this sold out everywhere. I got mine from Reebok.com. I'm so excited. So I wanted to open the box up for my guides and ladies who are following me on my channel to get into what's in this new Reebok times CardiB collaboration drop that hit online and in stores on April 23rd, 2021. Alright, box, you real snug. Ready, guys? And of course, I love the paper. The paper is so cute. It says her name. I decided to do this video in natural light so that way you can get a really good look at the packaging, because you know we love packaging. And here it goes. Oh my god. Oh my god. Purple is my favorite color, and I'm in love. She actually dropped her new drop. I think this is her last drop for this particular silhouette, which is the Club C CARDi's. But it's so beautiful. There's the sun. It's so gorgeous. I love the detailing. This shoe is very different from her previous drops, where you don't have the transparent clear part on the side that gave it the edge. Still has the thick sole with the jelly look, and it doesn't have the suede around, like that fuzzy suede. I think this is just like patent leather, not too sure, but I love it. It's gorgeous. I can't wait to try it on. I did get a top. And the inside, I'm pretty sure you guys already seen multiple videos, and I'm in love with this shoe. I'm completely in love with this shoe, because I love lavender, but Reebok is calling it crisp purple, but we all know it's lavender. And I just wanted to show them off because I'm just like so happy. I'm literally dying over here. These shoes are so cute. And I'm just put them on my feet and give you guys a closer look at them. You guys know the vibes. Subscribe, comment, share if you like. But please follow my channel, guys. I'm trying to get my followers up, subscribers up. These are my slides that I'm wearing. And here they go on foot. And they're super cute. And I did get these in a size 10. I'm just so in love with these. Never mind my toe prints. This is my size. It's just the way that I ball my feet up in my shoes. But these are just so cute. They actually feel a lot more better than the other ones. I'm so happy. That's it for this new CardiB collab with Reebok video. Hope you guys like.